Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am taking you along with me on site. Spend a day with me on site. We are going up on 10th floor. So let's start. This is the outer area. We have to decorate and design this entire entrance very well because this is the main entrance. As always, first impression matters a lot. And here is our kitchen. Now the kitchen area was actually very small, but we wanted to give it a lavish and grand look. So what we did is we completely broke this wall to open up the space. Here we have created a niche which we will be using as a pantry. This side will be our hob area, and on the left you can see the plumbing points. Here we are planning a small breakfast counter. Moving towards the fridge area, we have created a small niche here for the fridge, and this is the dining space. Now moving towards another room. This is our guest room, and here we are planning a study area. A false ceiling is going on, and this side we will be having a wardrobe. Here we will place a bookshelf, and opposite to that will be the bed and the study unit. Now we are moving to the powder room. So this is a 3 BHK, and here we have 2 washrooms plus 1 common room. Along with the powder room, we have a washing area. This will be the bathing area, then WC, and then the vanity. Work is still in progress here. Now let's go to the master bedroom. The ceiling work is already in process. We are planning a 6x8 wardrobe, a TV unit, and this is the attached washroom. In this washroom layout, where first will be the WC, then vanity, and here we have the shower area. Just look at this balcony view. So much greenery, such an amazing view. I honestly love this view from the site. We have the utility balcony where the washing machine and other utilities will come. Next is the mother's room. Work is already going on, so I won't be entering. Team is already working on the ceiling. So this is the living and dining area. Here will be our sofas and the sitting area, and this balcony also had a very beautiful view. The view in the house are honestly amazing. Here I am having a conversation with our Thekadar Bhaiya, checking AC points, lighting, electricals, and overall site progress. I also needed some measurements, so I asked the team to take them. So yes, this was my site day. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be seeing you in the next vlog. Bye bye.